We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting words, related words, and some of the most mispronounced words and names in English. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So there are two different ways of saying it. In British English, this is normally said as protagonist, protagonist. You do want to stress on the second syllable. There's this distinct pr sound here, protagonist. In American English, however, this is usually pronounced as protagonist, protagonist with a pro sound at the beginning. Protagonist in American English versus protagonist in British English, and now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.